Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, and another fantastic, gorgeous, glowing, stunning, sunny, departing clouds with decreasing winds and slightly cooler temperatures, but still seasonably mild for this mid-December, early winter in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois, right? It's Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, and we appreciate the support of our new followers or subscribers. We are almost to that $1,000. We are over 910 subscribers, if you can believe that. I remember back in the good old days of late April where we had about 4 people, if that were subscribed, and 2 of them were probably myself. But as we go into what we talked about yesterday, you can see the old coins. The Bitcoin, it's not really doing anything, right? It's down a little bit right now. This is the 4-hour time frame. We're going to go to the hour time frame because we don't need to go through all the mumbo jumbo of the past. We're just looking forward to what's going on right now currently. And what's going on currently in the old crypto sphere is just like what we were talking about last night. You can see where Bitcoin wicked down last weekend on that flash low right down here. And that's where we have our little horizontal ray just to mark that, because we think that's a nice double bottom eventually, right down there at $41,869. But you can see how it fell back with our industry exclusive drawing tool after we flushed, and then we came back up right back to this critical orange fib circle. And if we don't get any support and try to make a run up at this traded area or even up here to back test this major overhead resistance, right? Need to get that out of the way. This is going to start to trade back down. It's going to fluctuate, and then if it keeps getting rejected by that 200-day, it's going to flash drop right back down to that $41,894. And then, you know, if you slip that, you got much, much lower targets down here of 29,000, right? And you would maybe hold that, bounce back, use that as upper resistance now right here, a descending line, and then flash into this volume traded area and then down, right? So that's your bearish scenario. If you want to get bullish, which you have to try to do in the 3 or 4 hour time frame, even though this is only the 1 hour time frame, in the 3 hour time frame, that moving average is probably up there. You got to get over this moving average and make a run up here and try to back test this major overhead resistance, and also blow by this major traded area that acted as a consolidation to get rejected and fall down closer to the floor, right? So that's what's going on in the Bitcoin. What do we got here? The XRP is the same thing, right? You can see the pattern looks almost identical. We're in this falling channel, right? See that? It's a falling channel right there. And we have that same flash crash wick. But this one had a huge wick down here. And we have 86 cents as your major upper resistance, or short term. Medium term, 92 cents, right? That we've moved over this way. And then we can get rid of that one. And then we got major overhead resistance way up here at $1.15 on the top of that green volume indicator, right? And then we got your lower support at 75 cents and your major lower support on this double bottom wick at 57 cents. So then we're going to zoom on in to the 15-minute time frame. As you know, Canada has just delisted XRP off of many sites, going along with the US did and other major countries, as the purge continues on the XRP and the bearishness looks to continue. But right now, you're looking like if you want to try to get bullish, you got to continue to hold this 200-day moving average as support, right? And then you got to break up and make a run up here at our 86-cent target, right? But if you fall down and get rejected, you're going to quickly come back down to the 75-cent target. And if you can't hold that, you're going to come down to that double bottom low at 52 cents, right? So that's what's going on here in the XRP. It's been falling within this falling channel for quite some time. If we pull back out to the 2-hour time frame, you can see what we got going on here. We got rejected once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, right? We got supported once, twice, a fake out on that wick down there, right? On the 4th time, then it quickly got bought back up to get rejected, and then we've hit it as support, support, support. Now we're trying to pump. This is your upper resistance, second upper resistance, major overhead resistance up there, right? And if you fail this, you're going to start to trade back down to 72 cents, maybe come back up here, trade back down, and if you can't hold that, you're going to come down to 57 cents. And there are targets way down here and the shithouse targets, but that's for another time and another day. If you get ultimate bullish out of this after the Fed meeting, you could come up here to this $1.15, which is the technical target if you ever break up out of this falling wedge at the top of this green support box or the volume indicator area. And that would be where you would get rejected if you could ever get back up there eventually. But right now we're bearish, and you're going to play the pattern until the pattern breaks. And right now you sell resistance up here and you buy support down there in this tightening range, right? So that's what's going on here. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.